na nirakorirwo ikihĩtũkio nĩ ajumbe muthenya wa ira thutha wa cikaro ici guthii kwa makiria ya mathaa maigana na gukiri uguo ona thengia ya ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition guthii na mbere na kuregana nayo. Ndereti no riu ni itaanyitwo gukinyio kuri President William Ruto na aria akoragwo ari ikereka ria kanana ni thutha wa gukorwo igitamanio ria mbere ria keri na muthenya wa ira iratamanio ria gatatu na thutha wa gukorwo ikihĩtũkio riu itaanyitwo gukinyirio President William Ruto ori itaanyitwo gukorwo akimikira kirore gukiri uguo no mbunge kuma moho wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition no rio tongoragio ni Raila Odinga ni mathiete na mbere na kuga ati no mekwenyitia muthiori ona thengia icunjĩ itiganĩte gukorwo igicenjio ta uria marendekithĩtie.
The division on clause 24 is out. The numbers are as follows. Manual voting 171 ayes versus 66 nays. Therefore, the ayes have it.
The House is still in session, honorable members. Take your seats. Committee Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to report that the Committee of the Whole House has considered the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 14 of 2023 up to clause 24 and approved the same with amendments and seek leave to sit again.
Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Today.
And seek leave to sit again later today, Mr. Speaker.
Today. Yes, mover.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that the House do agree with the committee in the said report, and I request Honorable the Vice Chairperson, Honorable Ambassador Langat, to second the motion for agreement with the report of the Committee of the Whole House. Yes, Honorable Speaker, we have debated these matters extensively. We have handled 24 clauses out of 87.
Chairman, you are spent. Right.
Division.
No. Yes, Langat. Ordinarily, you just bow. Thank you, honorable members. Order. Honorable members, I propose the question, which is that the House do agree with the committee in the said report. I confirm that we have the requisite quorum. I'll now put the question, which is that the House do agree with the committee in the said report. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it. Order, honorable members.
Kanacio ni mbunge kuma kuria nyumba-ini ya icirĩro muthenya wa ira na kuria marakorirwo makihĩtũkia ndereti ya watho wa Kigiina no tũgũnda gũtarĩria